The new ChatGPT image generation model just came out. Here is the little video where you can see how great it actually looks. Here you can see you can change hairstyles, the outfits, or the background, and the image looks really great. And we will compare it to Nano Banana Pro. This is GPT image 1.5. As you can see, looks quite great. In this right here image in the grid, this doesn't look like the Trump. Let's see the next image for Nano Banana Pro. This looks like much better. If we have to say percentage wise how close it is, this is like, I would say 90%, and this is like 99% correct in accuracy. Next one, how great it performs for thumbnails. Here is the prompt and here is the result for GPT-5. As you can see, the thumbnail doesn't look great. The text is out of the frame. Also, the AI thought that there are 4 separate people, but this is the one person with 4 different images, and it created 3 guys in the same image. As far as Nano Banana Pro, it performed perfectly. As you can see, the text is in the frame. Only one person. This actually looks like a pro grade thumbnail that people would actually click on. This is a JSON prompt, so you can create much better images with JSON prompts. So the first is Nano Banana Pro. This looks like a real person, not like AI. Next image looks definitely like AI. There is not even a competition for Nano Banana Pro on basically on realistic people. Next image, the prompt is draw a poster where you say A is for an animal that starts with the letter A, B for an animal that starts with B, all the way to Z, so basically an alphabet with animals. And here you can see A, B, C, D, G, H, I, K, O, P, so doesn't make any sense, and it ends with B and without the letter. Now someone compared this to the Nano Banana Pro, and here you can see A, B, C, D, basically from A to Z, and all the animals are perfectly, basically correct in this image. So Nano Banana Pro wins in this as well. For this image, this actually looks great for GPT-5 as well, but when you look at the face, you can see that Nano Banana Pro actually looks a little bit better. But overall, I think this is the best image that I have seen from ChatGPT 1.5 that is actually really great. So this is a close tie. Next image is this, basically Sam Altman as a giant in a UK street. This is GPT 1.5. As you can see, this doesn't even look like Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI. Everything else looks quite nice. For Nano Banana Pro, I think the lights look much better. The face looks like Sam Altman, and everything is looking really great. Also, the text is looks nice. So first is Nano Banana Pro. I mean, this looks perfect for ChatGPT 5. This looks weird. It is not as detailed. The colors are too saturated, in my opinion. And in this one, looks like a real photo. Again, couldn't tell if this is AI or a real image. So next one, woman in a gym. This looks again ultra realistic. Nano Banana Pro. Here you can see the watermark. Next one is GPT 1.5. You can already tell that this looks like AI. So the next one is again 2 women. This looks actually like twins, but the prompt was here you can see 2 females, 2 friends. And in this image, this looks much more realistic, although these 2 look like twins as well. I mean, if you look at the face. And the last one is this bug. The first is Nano Banana Pro. There we have Grok and ChatGPT 1.5. So this is Nano Banana Pro. Looks flawless. The next one is Grok. Looks great as well, but this looks like generated by AI. And the last is GPT 1.5. So this looks the worst of all of the 3. So the conclusion is that Nano Banana Pro is the superior image generation tool. I don't know why OpenAI decided to release something that is not up to the standard or worse than Nano Banana Pro. Maybe they just wanted to release something so the users don't switch immediately to Gemini 3. But the fact that you can use Adobe in ChatGPT and edit your images. Maybe you don't need to use Nano Banana Pro. And the AI race continues. Let's hope for a new video generation tools. That's what I have been waiting for. Also, I am back on Patreon posting daily. If you want to chat with me or see the exclusive content, AI Alpha, AI News, and you want some tutorials that I don't post on YouTube, all the links are in the description. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.